bird is walking around and he's trying to get his head right, and it's just like not getting his head right, and he's trying to. Then next thing you know, the bird ducks his head under his butt, tucks his head under his butt. It just can't even pick his head up now. And they're like, well, this is going to hit the supply chain, and there's more increasing birds now like this in the UK, and this spreads more in the cold season. So this is where it all begins to get really extremely wild. No wonder the birds been acting so strange.
What the hell is going on? The crows are attacking my car. Seriously, look, do you hear them up there? Oh my God. Look at Brave, they're attacking the truck. Holy